Okay, everyone, can you solve this one? If you don't know, I will show you within a minute. This is the exponential equations challenge that everyone, let's do it together. The question is this is a base for the power of 2, the power of 2, the power of x is equal to 16. Yes. Stay up to the end. Solution. Okay. This is a base. For this reason, we do like this one. For the power of 2, the power of 2, the power of x. Yeah. Is equal to 16 means for the power of 2. Yeah, we can say this one. Do you get the idea? Yes, we are going to cancel the base because the base is, it must be rewritten by the same. This 4 also the same. Then we separate this question. For the power of 2, this one, let we put like this one, then is equals to for the power of 2, then this one there is the power of 2, the power of x. Yeah. Then these two cancel these two because the same, for the same it become cancel each other. Then which is left 2, the power of x, yeah, is equals to 4 by this side left. Then what we are going to, okay, imagine there is 1 around this, the base of 4 of power of 1. Yeah, imagine, no change. Then this 4 we cancel to each other because the bases, if the same, we can both sides we cancel to each other. Then which is left? 2 the power of x is equals to 1. Yeah, 2 the power of x is equals to 1. Yeah. Yes. Then finally, yeah, we are going to finish. This means 2 the power of x is equals to 1 means, let we do like this one. 2 the power of x, hold in your mind this concept. 1 2 the power of 0. Do you get? Yeah. As you challenged, I know. Let I show you. 2 the power of 0 means 1. Yeah. 2 the power of 0 means it become 1. Equals to 1. Yeah. This means this. Yeah. It is equal. Then the base is the same now. For this reason, 2 is cancelled. 2 is cancel each other. Then x is how much is left? X is equals to 0. The final answer is 0. Yes. Don't be challenged around this one. 2 the power of 0 is equals to 1 means it becomes the same. 2 the power of 0 means is equals to 1. Yeah. I write by this form, this one I change it to this form because of to cancel the base to cancel by rewriting the base to the same. I hope as you get. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment, to like, to support us. I hope. Thanks.